Ooh, we want to hear that crunch, right? Let's hear the crunch. Oh, my mouth's so water. Hey, how y'all doing today? Welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel. Yes. Before we get into the cooking tutorial, make sure you all subscribe, hit that post notification bell, share me out, leave a comment, and also thumbs up this video. Yes, today we are going to cook fried fish. Yes, I'm going to show you how to season it up so well and make it so crispy. If you like crispy fried fish, you have the right cooking tutorial. So come on, let me show you everything that you need and we're gonna get into the cooking. Okay, you guys, here goes all the ingredients. We got black pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, slap your mama season, cornmeal, cornstarch, flour, and we have the fish, baby. Yes, we have the fish. So let's get to frying. Let's prep it up. Who's ready? Two cups of cornmeal, 1/3 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, optional, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of slap your mama, mix all the ingredients together. Well incorporated. We have the fish all washed and clean. Gonna add it to the bowl. Next, we're gonna add mustard, 1/4 mustard. Okay, make sure the mustard get on every piece of the fish. We have a mustard coated fish. We have a plate to lay our fish on, and we have the flour, cornmeal, and all the good seasons. And we're just going to put the fish in the bag. Vegetable oil. Fill your pan halfway, a little less than halfway full. A little less than halfway full with vegetable oil. Okay, you're gonna let this fry 3 to 5 minutes on each side. And there you go, fried fish, crispy fried fish. Who wants some? Now let's try it. Let's hear the crunch. Flaky, look at that. Seasoned southern crispy fried fish. Who wants some? Have some. There you go. Don't that look good? We have some lemons, we have some tartar sauce, have some lemons, tartar sauce, hot sauce for that good old southern country fried fish. Let's try it. I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, how do y'all like y'all fish? Do y'all like it with hot sauce, ketchup? Do you like it with hot sauce, ketchup, tartar sauce? Or just some lemons squeezed on it. Okay. Let's see. Look at that. Yeah, I broke a piece off already. I like tartar sauce. So, we want to hear that crunch, right? Let's hear the crunch. Oh, my mouth's so water. That's good. I'm having some hot sauce. Flaky. Some lemon juice. Flaky. Now there you go, the recipe for a nice southern crispy seasoned fried fish. Mmm. Mmm.